Hi guys, it's your girl Yammi, and Obi and I are here at the Disney Character Warehouse store inside the Vineland Premium Outlets. We got it right this time. So we're about to go in, check and see if there's anything new. It's been a couple of weeks since we've been here, and we'll see if there's something new, hopefully. All right, first thing I noticed is there is no line to go in, so we get to go right in. They have these cars here, mini cars, $7.99. I'm not sure who's all in it. Oh, here, this tells you who's in it. $7.99. This sweater's new. Let's see, it's Coco on the bag. What is it, $24.99? And then this dress is new. I'm not sure where this dress is from. $24.99 though. If you know, comment down below. All right, after seeing this design right here, this just hit me. This is Coco. And look right here. I didn't even notice the skull. He's still here for $19.99. Looks like quite a few of them. I was hoping that price would have gone down to $14.99. Can it go in, please? These shoes are new for $30. And more shoes. I'm not sure, they are kids. Clothing is still 30% off. Wakanda. There's mugs over there. Oh, there's Mr. Toad. What is this? Park hopping. It's my cardio. $9.99. Tiana mug should be $7.99. Yes. And look at, there's a Mr. Toad mug. He is $9.99 and he's huge. All right, they still have some of these weird looking $19.99 things, but now they have some new ones. This is astronaut mini. I would say so. New Spirit jersey out. All they have are size small and extra small. And they want $30 for them. All right, they have a lot of Nightmare Before Christmas here. There's some new items. And then, of course, they've got the Haunted Mansion still over there. And then they have costumes still. I'm sitting there trying to film things, and people are just coming in and in and in. So it's really hard to get a picture of nobody in it. But there's the dog clothing still. And then they have the Vera Bradley beach towel here for $30 or $35. My bad, $35. All right, there's Rhea dolls here. I don't know the price. $3.99. And then we have Paris Mickey, just Mickey, and don't know the price on him. Don't know. Okay, they have more of the Tiana baking set. I seen they had the rolling pin for $14.99. Oswald has made it here. You got the throw for $39, and you have the bag for $15. More Oswald stuff, which would be the sweatshirt, a couple of t-shirts, and a button-down shirt. All right, for the pins, I'm gonna just scroll through them. Definitely not new. New. $4.99. And nothing new. Marvel pins are new. $8.99. And Dr. Strange. I believe these were here last time for $12.99. Dancing pin is new, $7.99. Arcade pin, $7.99 is new. Seeing Turning Red is new, and Spring Break, $23. The Orange Bird spirit jersey is new. I'm not sure about this button-down shirt. And then we have the Jungle Cruise. Oh, this shirt's cute. $12.99. And then you have the rain jackets here for $30. It's a Small World. And then I seen over here a Mickey snack one. Is also $30. Over here's the National Geographic jackets they still have, and then they have, which has to be from Coco also because it's got the same flower on it, for $40. And that must be Coco also. Kid was getting too heavy to carry. We got some Stitch yoga pants, and they're heavier material, so they're more conforming. For $19.99. Okay, these are new. They just say Walt Disney World on the side, orange and red. They are $25. This is a new little backpack. It's very small, $14.99, and I don't think it's going to fit an adult, so I'm going to say it's a kid's bag. Nothing new over here. A lot of pants, not so many new ones, except for the Stitch ones. Spirit jersey, this should be Toy Story. I believe it's Toy Story. Denim. I could be wrong. It looks like clouds, so it made me think of Toy Story. Alright, this is new for $89.99. Alright, so that was it for inside the Character Warehouse store. It was extremely busy in there. There's no line, no queue outside, so that meant there'd be more people on the inside. So it was really hard for me to get through. I did have Obi with me, and he met a lot of new friends. So. But it was pretty crowded in there, so unless there's a queue, I guess you're gonna have to deal with the crowds in there. So either deal with the queue or the crowds. Take your pick. I'll take the queue, because that way it's easier to get around the store. So, all right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.